Tomassi grew up coming here to Loudon, hoping to one day be behind the wheel instead of in the stands. Well, this weekend, that's happening, and there are plenty of local fans here to see the race.
He was asked to drive the number 33 in the Truck Series race on Saturday. He recently became the first Rhode Islander in 25 years to race in the NASCAR Xfinity Series.
Rhode Island, the Tomassi Law LLC Tour, for Tyler Tomassi.